Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2012 Toyota Camry 2.5 doing a battery and a starter. First off, going to take this little valance off. This is already off for me. All the clips were removed, so it's easy. Little push pin clips, push them in, pop up. I'm going to take off this air duct housing, take out this air filter housing, take out the battery, and be able to get to the starter, which is right below there. Corrosion. Better tray. See, now we can get it started. Still need to take this out of the way so that we can get to everything. Clipped air mass airflow. I love these little picks. Makes jobs like that so much easier. I'm just gonna lift up this whole thing. Pop out there. Pop off there. Take that whole thing out of the way. Hate messing with these tubes. They're usually a pain in the butt and such like that, trying to get them out. All right, so if I can avoid it, I will not do so. Your control wire to your starter. Peel that back. It's like either 12 or 13. I'm gonna go 12. Most Japanese cars are 12s. About every damn thing. 12. I always like keeping and reusing the nut that comes off of it. They're usually better than the ones that are provided. Alright, so these are going to be 14s, 15s. They're usually going to be on there stupid tight. So I use a 1/2 inch to bust them loose, and then a 1/4 inch or 3/8 to ratchet them off the rest of the way. These and Hondas, they're just notorious for being stupidly over tight, and then they've probably never been off before, so it's fun to take out. Extension there. These aren't too tight. Nice. All right. It's a real easy starter to do. And ta-da! See how the new ones have just a little lock washer and all that. I don't like using those. I'll use the factory one. Just my personal preference. I need some persuasion. Just like that. Everything goes not good. Someone broke all that crap off. Back up. Problematic when you go to start it. See that beautiful corrosion in there. Corrosion is bad. Corrosion creates resistance. Resistance creates drag on the motor, or drag on the motor then kills the starter motor. It's all one big cycle. If I can find it. Let's see if I can clean on that terminal up a little bit. Alright, not today. Have to go get a new one. Alright, let's move out of the way. Battery tray hold down. Let's corrosion off this battery. Oh, duh, never mind. Don't need to. Why? Customer request new battery. Look at that. Clip down there, right there. Tighten it up just a little bit. stupid tight, just good and tight. German, good and tight. Knock off as much of that corrosion as possible. That's not gonna fit on there, right? Okay. Let's see. Attach it there. Attach this here. Alright, let's see if everything's good. Ta-da! Questions, comments, please like and subscribe.